Incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable expansion. Now it's turn for the preset views as element filters. Then let's continue. I can also view the leeches. And hey, what is this? Do you remember the last video? We covered this. The title of the window is Leech Catcher, is not other than a customized version of the saved element filters. Do you see here that we had the leech high priority, and stuff like this? It's the same. It only selects 5 to 100, the lapses, and the only difference, and I'm being strict, is that the type and status is unselected. Why? Because by definition, a leech is a flashcard, an item that you're reviewing. You're leeching, meaning you're lapsing at the least 5 times or more. Therefore, it's memorized, it's on your taking part of your learning process, and it's a flashcard. So this cannot be, it's the only possibility. So there's nothing you can change here. That's why it's grayed out. So it's like a direct access. You can have semi-leeches. By the way, in leeches you have a key binding for it. Shift F3. So Shift F3. Yep. Nothing is happening. It's because you need to focus on the element window. Now Shift F3. Here you go. It's the same as doing F8 if you are in the browser window, or view and filter, and then select the leech. It has the same effect. But with this, the type and status can be selected. And semi-leech is the same, but the number will be lower. In my case, it's always 5. Feel free to make it 6 or whatever. I don't even remember which one is the default. Then, pending. This is the same as the pending queue. We have the outstanding, the memorized, is not here, it's on the other. Why? Because less people will use the pending queue. Then we have a branch. You can do it like this. Branch is, oh, what happened here? What is this? I don't understand. Easy. Do you see that I am in a branch in the knowledge tree, 2022, and I use Control Space to open this on the browser? So I can also do view, other, and branch. Has the same effect. So basically, Control Space is a key binding for this thing. That's all for now. See you in the next video.